In this workflow, we will cover the Ridge Enhancement Filter, which is a post-processing filter for fault attribute volume, such as similarity. It basically sharpens the attribute response such that faults are more clearly visible. We start the 3D attribute engine from Analysis Attribute 3D. Open the default attribute set and select the Ridge Enhancement Filter Expert, which is just an advanced version of the Ridge Enhancement Filter, and use the steered similarity and addition with their second derivative, and OK. And select the 4 deep steered median filter as input cube and the steering background as input for the steering, and OK. We highlight the Ridge Enhancement Filter, keep all the default parameters. It basically calculates the similarity attribute at 9 locations surrounding the evaluation point. Then it compares the difference between similarity values in 4 horizontal directions. The direction perpendicular to the faults usually exhibits the larger difference, therefore output as the Ridge Enhancement attributes. The effect is a sharper outline of the faults. So we keep the attribute name as Ridge Enhancement Filter. We uncheck Save on Close and close this window. Now we will apply the Ridge Enhancement Filter to a Z-slice. For that, we right-click on Z-slice and add and select data, and we select the new created Ridge Enhancement Filter and OK. As the visualization of the full Z-slice will take some time, we will limit the inline and crossline range, so we just press Abort in the pop-up window and we just say no. Then we go to the Z-slice number, right-click, Display Position. So we set the Z to 1640 millisecond, and the inline range will be 120 to 400, and the crossline from 350 to 600, and OK. Once the processing for display is finished, we right-click on the attributes and we go to the color bar and change it to gray. Then adjust the extreme, minimum and maximum to have the optimum display. For comparison purpose, we display in another scene the similarity on FEF Seismic attribute that we computed in the previous exercise, and we compare with the Ridge Enhancement Filter, and we can see clearly that the faults have sharper outlines. Let's conclude this Ridge Enhancement Filter calculation workflow.